love this tour. He is fantastic Gilda tour. We got chocolate shop at the first tour. Very good taste. And the last was 4 beers. That's amazing. Value for money, very much. Guide, expert and very nice. Drinks good taste. Tim was an amazing guide. Must do in Brussels. The stories, fast facts, info, food and the beer was extremely good. Don't miss this. The 2 hours walking tour is definitely a must-go. Love our tour guide Sardar Isil, a very passionate experience. So lucky to have him showing around the sights and interesting history. Thanks Walid for the wonderful experience. Had fun and enjoyed walking around Brussels. Tim was very funny and entertaining. He gave us a lot of information regarding the architecture and history of Brussels while sampling on beer/cider, waffles, and chocolates. It was a short and sweet tour. The only tricky thing is that we stood in the square for a while to find the guide as there was no indication, ID, flag, or uniform. There was also no information on the APE pickup information. We thought that perhaps we missed it and that they had departed, but we just approached a group of people who looked like they could be going on a tour and confirmed that it was definitely it. Haha. The tour departed on time as expected.